Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on US Highway 90 in Texas, beginning at the western city limits of the city of Beaumont in Jefferson County. As we make our way across the countryside, we suddenly find ourselves in China. Not the China on the other side of the world, but the city of China in Jefferson County, Texas, which has a population of 1,183. China was first known as China Grove for a water stop on the Texas and New Orleans Railroad that sat amidst a grove of chinaberry trees. In the 1860s, a small community grew around the water stop, and another a few miles away named Nashland. A post office with the name China was established there in 1893. When fire destroyed the China Grove Depot in 1906, the railroad rebuilt in the larger Nashland area but retained the established name of China as the name of the depot. The Nashland post office changed its name to China shortly afterward. It wasn't until 1971 that the now merged community voted to incorporate as the city of China, Texas. During World War II, a small branch camp was built for German prisoners of war who were detailed to China from the larger Camp Huntsville in Walker County, Texas, now a part of Sam Houston State University. These prisoners helped to maintain rice fields while local farmers were serving in the military. The chinaberry trees that gave the community its name are rare in the area today. In fact, 2 trees that were transplanted to the front lawn of the city civic complex in the mid-1990s are some of the only remaining examples. However, several local China and Meeker natives have taken to cultivating and nurturing new and transplanted chinaberry trees. Now that we've returned from China, we enter the city of Nome, still in Texas though. Initially called Congreve Station, this location was a stop on the Texas and New Orleans Railroad in the early 1860s. The name of the town came from the influx of people due to the discovery of oil in the early 1900s, similar to the gold strikes at Nome, Alaska. Hence the name became Nome in 1903. Although rice farming would still be the foremost activity of the town, the discovery of natural gas and oil would create a new industry for the region in 1936. Many years later, Nome would become incorporated in 1971. Here we enter Liberty County, which has a population of 81,704. The county was created in 1831 as a municipality in Mexico and organized as a county in 1837. On the left is the Lieberman Broadcasting Radio Transmission Tower, one of the world's tallest structures at 1,994 feet. We enter the city of Devers, which has a population of 486. Here we come up behind a pickup truck that doesn't seem to be able to stay in its lane. It may or may not have something to do with an upcoming wide load traveling in the opposite direction, but the first time he does it is before the wide load is even visible. Better keep a safe distance here. We enter the unincorporated community of Raywood and will end our drive here. Here in Raywood, Farm Road 770 briefly runs along US Highway 90 for a short distance. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.